If your Bluetooth headphones aren't being detected on Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, or Windows 7, this quick fix may solve the problem. Start by pressing Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and click OK. In the Services window, scroll down until you find Bluetooth Support Service, then double-click it to open its properties. Set the startup type to automatic, then click Apply. Next, check the service status. If the service isn't running, click Start. If it still doesn't start, try clicking Restart and make sure the service is running properly. Once everything is set correctly, click OK. Finally, restart your computer. After Windows loads, open your Bluetooth settings and try pairing your Bluetooth headphones again. Your headphones should now be detected and ready to connect. If this guide helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.